Elsewhere now, the agricultural sector in St. Elizabeth is still struggling to recover following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. Several farmers say their livelihoods were severely disrupted, with limited support slowing the recovery process. Our reporter Kevin Black spoke with one farmer who says the challenges remain overwhelming.
The agricultural sector in St. Elizabeth continues to struggle in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. One farmer, Rudolph Shaba Montague, says the destructive storm brought his operations to a near standstill, leaving him uncertain about the road to recovery.
All the farmers and me fall pen and, me look a shop, library wood and library wood and them thing there. Yeah, and then, and me shop and something. And me look a farm, me look a yam ground and them something there, It's slow, man, straight up, bad. As you see now, I just have to go and work. I can't even say, give back a shop, because I can't have nothing to put in the shop.
Montague says assistance from the relevant authorities has been minimal since the passage of the hurricane.
Yeah, just come in and we have some fertilizer and, some fertilizer and some spray and them something, spray upon fertilizer, them thing there. And look, seed, I'm going to get a seed, melon seed or some same way. Melon seed and cucumber seed and because I'm willing to go there soon as we start falling, we have to go water, we can go there.
He adds that farmers across St. Elizabeth remain in urgent need of resources to help drive the recovery process. Montague also outlined several ongoing challenges affecting the farming community.
So it's so bad, man, so bad. The drought, we are afraid of the drought a lot, same way. And I mean to say, just as we say, we have the land, but the seed and the water, we have the land, so we get to help with we look seed and we look water and something, we can't.
Kevin Black reporting for CVM News.